Hello my friends, it's Chris here from the School of Embodiment, and today I'm going to give you a somatic practice for bringing the nervous system down, for bringing you out of a sympathetic activated nervous system state into a parasympathetic rested state where your mind feels at peace and your body feels at ease. So I'll invite you to feel into your body right now. Allow your attention to fill and drop into the body. And notice if there's anywhere in your body that feels tense. Notice if there's anywhere in your body that feels tight. Notice if there's anywhere in your body that is hurting emotionally. And I want you to invite, to welcome all of these places of tension, tightness, emotional hurt to come closer to you. I want to invite you to welcome your body and your nervous system to come closer to you. Because the main reason why we find ourselves with a dysregulated nervous system is because there's something inside pushing it away. Another way of saying that is there's something inside of you trying to get away from the nervous system. Because we don't like the way that our body feels, we try and get away from it. And we try and get away from it. We try and come up here into the thinking away from it, and we try and push it away. And it's that pushing away which creates this split inside. And it's the split inside which gives us this feeling of distress, this feeling that something's not right, this feeling of coldness in the world. So what we need to do is heal that split inside. And the way you heal that split inside is you bring awareness into all of the places within the body that may feel uncomfortable. All of the places within the body that you may be trying to get away from. You may feel this little child inside screaming in the nervous system, I don't want this. And if you feel that something inside you saying, I don't want this experience, then you welcome that one into your heart. You say yes to that one. You breathe into that one. You warmly flood your body. You warmly flood your entire nervous system with your attention, with your awareness. At the same time, your breath may deepen. You're not trying to make yourself feel better. You're not trying to make yourself feel good. What you're doing is you're getting closer inside, getting more intimate inside with that which doesn't necessarily feel good. And the magical thing that happens is when you touch in with your awareness, that may be a tension in your throat, it may be a tension in your heart or your belly or your shoulders, when you touch in with that, when you become intimate with that within your nervous system, which is distressed, then something relaxes inside. Now, the nervous system, when it is activated, it will be trying to drive you up into thinking. If an activated nervous system dissociates us into negative thinking, you will have noticed that if you're ever in an activated state and your nervous system is activated, that you can be walking around, driving around, in the shower, doing whatever, and there'll be lots of chaotic thinking happening. The chaotic thinking that's happening is just happening because there's something inside which does not want to be in the uncomfortability within the body. And because it does not want to be within the pressure of the uncomfortability within the body, it drives you up into thinking. Thinking can feel, in a weird way, better than being in the body. At least when you were a child, it was safer to be in the thinking than it was to be deeply in the feeling. But the way that we heal this split within, the way that we come back to a place of healing and wholeness and safety and goodness and peace inside, is that we anchor ourselves deeply within that which we've spent our whole life running away from. And you can do that now with me. Feel your hands. Feel the aliveness in your hands, your arms, your legs, your belly, your chest, your jaw, your head. Feel your body. Feel your spine. Feel your heart. Feel your chest. Feel the tension. Come closer to it. Meet it. And in becoming intimate with your body, in dropping back down into your body, you also become more intimate with the world around you. Because when we're in a dysregulated nervous system and we're up in the head thinking all these crazy thoughts, we're completely cut off with our connection to the rest of life. We are naturally connected to everything around us. What we really are is connected, is intimately within everything around us. But when our attention is through the overactive nervous system pulling us into thinking, and we're just in the thinking mind, we're disconnected from our body. And when we're disconnected from our human body, we're disconnected from the body of the world. So reconnect with your feelings and you reconnect with the world. A warmth starts to come into life again. Like if I'm looking at this windowsill in front of me, this might sound crazy, but I feel this love towards it. I feel this intimacy with the world around me. And it's not a big, crazy spiritual experience. It's just gradually, the more that we drop into our body, the more that we drop into our being, we feel more connected with the world around us. So thank you. Give it a go. Peace.